Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Desire to Learn with Mukesh. So today in this video, we are going to discuss the first series of Math Olympiad for class 4th. In this Olympiad series, we are going to cover all the topics that comes under the Olympiad syllabus. So in this first video, we are going to discuss the first topic, that is knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers. So, what do you mean by numbers? Numbers are mathematical objects by which we express date, time, position, quantity, etc. So, by number we can write a date. For example, suppose today's date 11 9 2022. So, by using numbers, we write the date. We wrote the date. So like that, to write position, first, second or third, we also use numbers. To write time also use numbers. What is the time right now? It is 9:54. It is 9:54. So to write quantity also we use numbers. Suppose I bought 10 kg potatoes from the market today. So 10 kg, to write 10 kg we use number. So to write date, time, position, quantity, we use numbers. Numbers are written by using digits such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are total 10 digits from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these 10 digits are used to make numbers. Suppose we want to write 32. So we have to write 2 digits, 3 and 2. Suppose you want to write 1390, 1395. So we used 4 digits, 1, 3, 9 and 5. Now, Indian place value system chart. In Indian place value system chart, there are ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, then lakh place, then 10 lakh place, and finally crore place. And in international place value system, there are ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 plus, 10,000 plus, 100,000 plus, and million plus. So, what do you mean by face value? There are two values, face value and place value. So face value, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. Suppose 9 in 1936, 1936. In 1936, the face value of 9 is 9 itself. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. The face value of 6 is 6 itself. Face value means the digit itself. Face value of 9 is 9, face value of 8 is 8, face value of 7 is 7, like that. Then place value. When we multiply face value of the digit with the value of its period, it will give its place value. For example, in 65,329, place value of 6. So we have to multiply face value of the digit to the place in which the digit is located. For example, face value of 6 is 6 multiply by, in which place 6 is located? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 6 multiply by 10,000. So it will be 60,000. So it will be 60,000. So just we have to multiply the face value with the period, that is the place where the number is located. Now rounding off to nearest 10. Numbers whose unit digits end in 5 or more should be rounded up to the next 10. But the numbers whose unit digit end in less than 5 should be rounded to previous 10. For example, 88. Here the unit digit means the digit in ones place, the digit in ones place. So the unit digit is 8 here, so it is more than 5. So if the unit digit is more than 5 or 5, more than 5 or 5, it should be rounded up to the next 10. So the next 10 after 88 is 90, so it should be rounded up to 90. But in case of 84, here the unit digit 4 is less than 5, so we should round up it to the previous 10. So previous 10 of 84 is 80. What do you mean by previous 10 and next 10? Suppose 12, so previous 10 of 12 is 10 and next 10 of 12 is 20. You got it, students? Suppose 36, the previous 10 of 36 is 30. The what we call next 10 of 36 is 40. So previous 10 means the 10 which comes before the number, and next 10 means the 10 which comes after the number. So previous 10 of 36 is 30, next 10 of 36 is 40. So if here in 36 the unit digit is 6, so it is more than 5. So if we will be asked to round off 36 into the nearest 10, then we have to write the next 10, because here 6 the unit digit is more than 5. So if the unit digit is more than 5 or 5, then we have to round up to the next 10. But if it is less than 5, then we have to round up to the previous 10. Suppose in 32, here the unit digit 2 is less than 5, so we have to round off into the previous 10. So previous 10 of 32 is 30, so answer will be 30. So like that, when we are going to round up to the nearest 100, here when we are going to round off to nearest 10, we count by taking 5. Here we will count to taking 50. That means if numbers whose last two digits, that means unit digit and tenth digit, okay, are less than 50, should be rounded up to the previous 100. Whereas the numbers that have the last two digits, that means unit digit and tenth digit, equal to 50 or more than 50, it should be rounded up to the next 100. Suppose for example 424. Here the last two digits, unit digit and tenth digit, gives the number 24. And here 24 is less than 50, so 424 should be rounded up to the previous 100. So previous 100 of 424 is 400, and next 100 of 424 is 500. So here 24 is less than 50, so it should be rounded up to the previous 100, so it will be 400. But in case of 464, here the last two digit is 64, and 64 is less than, sorry, what we call more than or greater than 50, so it should be rounded up to the nearest what we call next 10. So next 10 of 464 is 500, so it should be 500. Okay, we will take another example. Suppose 245. So here the last two digits gives 45, and 45 is less than 50, so it should be rounded up to the previous 10. So previous 100. So previous 100 of 245 is 200, so it should be 200. If in case of 245, instead of 245, it will be asked 256. So here the last two digits gives 56, and it is more than 50, so it should be rounded up to the next 100, and next 100 of 256 is 300, so answer will be 300. Now Roman numerals. Roman numerals are based on the following symbols. Okay, now I am going to erase all these things. Okay. Now we will come to Roman numbers. So Roman numerals are based on the following symbols. For 1 we use I, for 5 we use B, for 10 we use X, for 50 we use L, for 100 we use C, for 500 we use D, for 1000 we use M. For example, we have to write 6. So B I. B is 5, I is 1, so B I means 5 plus 1, 6. I X. Here I comes before X. Remember, when the letter which have the smaller value comes before the letter which have the larger value, then we have to minus the value of the larger yes, letter from sorry, we have to minus the letter which have a smaller value from the letter which have the larger value. Here I has the smaller value, that is 1, and x is the largest value, that is 10. So here 10 comes before, sorry, 1 comes before 10, so we have to minus 1 from 10. So 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Then x 10 plus 10 20. Okay, then x ix, here x means 10, x means 10. Okay, so 10 10, 2 tens 20 हो गया 20. Then ix, here also I comes before x, so we have to minus I from x. So x means 10 minus I 1, 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So 20 plus 9, 29. हिंदी में बोल दूंगा, आप समझ जाओगे. यहाँ पे जो लेटर्स दिया है, लेटर का कुछ वैल्यू दिया है. सपोज जिस लेटर का वैल्यू कम है, सपोज वी विल कंपेयर टू एल एंड सी, अगर कंपेयर करेंगे तो एल का वैल्यू सी से कम है. तो सपोज एल सी के पहले आ जाता है, मतलब एल सी होता है, एल अगर सी के पहले आ जाता है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सी का वैल्यू से एल का वैल्यू माइनस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, ऐसे करते हैं. सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक नंबर में लिखूंगा एक्स आई. ओके, x. So here x means 10. 10 plus here I comes before x. x के पहले I आ गया, तो I का स्मॉल वैल्यू है, I इक्वल टू 1, x इक्वल टू 10. तो अगर x के पहले I आ गया तो x का वैल्यू से I का वैल्यू माइनस करना पड़ेगा. सो 10 माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 9. सो ये 10 और ये 9, टोटल हो गया 19. Okay, total हो गया 19. We will discuss more in the practice set. There are some questions on Roman letters, Roman numerals. We will discuss. Okay, you will understand easily. Now come to the practice set. Question number 1. There are 86,400 seconds in a day. How else could this number be written? So 86,400 seconds. So where is 86,400? Here you can see 86,400. So it is the correct answer. 86,400. Next question. Two persons were having an amount of 4,35,900 and 4,55,500 respectively. What is the place value of 4 in the total amount of both the persons? So here first you have to add both the numbers. You have to add both the numbers. Then you will get a sum. When we add 2 or more than 2 numbers, the answer we get is called sum. So in the sum, you will see there will be a 4, and you have to find the place value of 4. So if we will add these two numbers, we will get, now here we will add 435,900 plus 455,500. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0. 9 plus 5 14, 4 1 carry over, 1 plus 5 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 5 8. Okay, 4 plus 4 8. So 8,89,400. So here the place value of 4 is 400. So answer will be 400. Next, a teacher while teaching wrote some numbers as given below, in which all are same except one. The one which is different will be 100 ones means 1000. Sorry, 100 ones means 100. Okay, one ones means 1. So 100 ones means 100. 100 means also 100. Okay, 10 tens means also 100. But 100 tens means 1000. So it is different. Okay, the jar shows the rounded figure to nearest 10. Okay, 300 is the nearest 10. How many balls would be there in the jar? So you can see 295. Here 5 is the unit place is 5, so you have to round up to the nearest 10. That is the nearest 10 of 295 is 300. Okay, so 300 is the nearest 10 of 295. So 295 is the answer. Amisha is driving at a speed of 60 km per hour. Means in 1 hour she travels 60 km, covering 320 km. How much distance did Amisha cover when rounding up to nearest to 100? So you have to round up 320 to nearest 100. So here the last two digits are 2 and 0. So 20, and 20 is less than 50. So you have to round up to the previous 100. So previous 100 of 320 is your 300. So 300 is the answer. Next question. 5,96,280 equal to 5 lakh plus, this is the expanded form. We call it expanded form. So you will write here. Okay. So the place value of 9 is 90,000. So 9 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 40. Okay. Then 6 will contain 30, 6,000. 2 will contain 2 zeros, 200. So 90,000, 6,000 and 200. Where is the option? 90,000, 6,000 and 200. So here is the answer. Sonia reads some pages every month given in the table below. In which month did she read the least number of pages? So if you write in ascending order or descending order, the lowest number, the smallest number, you will identify that it will be 600, 6,876. Okay, among these four numbers, 6,876 is the lowest number. So here in the question, it is asked to write, she read the least number of pages. So this is the least number. Least means the smallest number. So in the month of March. Okay, in the month of March. Now I am going to erase the things. Okay. So in the month of March. Then a book has 160 pages. How many pages numbers contain the digit 0? So a book has 160 pages. So in which pages 0 will come? In 10 pages 0 will come, 1 0. Then in 20 pages, page number 20 also 0 will come. So 10, 20, okay, 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, 80, 90, 100, okay, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Then 120, 130, 140, 150 and 160. So total 0 will be there 25. Sorry, total number of pages where there will be 0. If it will be called as number of 0 only, so it will be different answer, because in 100 number page there will be 2 zeros, but here it is not asked for number of zeros. Here it is asked for number of pages which contain 0. So total 25 pages will be there which contain 0. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 25. It will be 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. So it is 25 times, students. Here I counted mistakenly. So 25 times. Okay, now we will come to the Next question. Question number 9. Which number out of the given choices should be inserted in the box so that the given series is in ascending order? In ascending order. So 1743, then 1898, then blank, then 2098. So here you have to write such a number which will be more than 1898 but less than 2098. So it will be your 1899 because it comes in between 1898 and 2098. Okay, 1899 is more than 1898 and less than 2098. Two children were playing a game using blocks with numbers written on them. A child asked his friend to form the smallest 5 digits odd number with the given blocks 30276. The numbers will be, so smallest 5 digit number, to make smallest number we have to write the digits in ascending order. But here 0 we can't write in the front. Okay, so we will write 2, then 0, then 3, then 6, then 7. So 20367. Okay, 3 persons spent 1072, 260 and 120 to buy some household items. If the amount spent were added, then how many tens are there in the total amount? So you have to add all these three numbers. Okay, after that you will find how many tens are there. So now we will add 1072 plus 260 plus 128. So if you will add, you will get 2 plus 0 plus 8, 10, 0, 1 carry over, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus carry over 1, 16, 6, 1 carry over again, 1, 0 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, then here 1. So 1460. 1460. So here how many tens are there? You can find 6 tens are there. Okay, 6 tens, 4 hundreds, 1000 and 6 tens. So 6 tens. Fill in the blanks and choose the correct option. 1 crore is a or n dash digit number. 1 crore is 8 digit number. Okay. The successor of largest 4 digit number. Successor means the next number. Predecessor means the what we call previous number. Okay. So successor of the largest 4 digit number. Largest 4 digit number is 9999 9999. The successor of 9999 will be your 1 contains 40, that means 1 lakh, which is the 5 digit smallest number, dash number has no Roman numeral. 0 has no Roman numeral. Okay, now difference between the successor and the predecessor of a number is always 2. Suppose we will take 10, successor 11, predecessor 9. So difference between 9 and 11 is 2. If we will take 20, successor 21, predecessor 19. Okay, so difference between 19 and 21 is 2. So always the difference between successor and predecessor of a number will be 2. So accordingly we will select the answer. Here we got 8, that means I. Then we got smallest means V, I, V. Then 0 means IV, IV, IV. Then 2, VI, IV, IV, VI, IV, IV, VI. So B is the answer. IV, IV, VI. Okay. Which number does the place value of model shows. So here you can, in one layer, here are 100 blocks. So how many layers are here total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 layers contain 700, because in one layer there are 100 blocks. So in 7 layers there are 700 blocks. So 700 plus how many tens? 1 2 3 4. 4 tens means 40. 700 plus 40 plus ones. How many ones? Only one. So 700 plus 40 plus 1. 741. A number contains the digit 4 in it. Which of the following cannot be the number? Okay. So you have to write all these numbers in numeral, in number. Here are given in words. You have to write in numbers. Then after you can find that which number contains the digit 4. For example, first one is 34 tens, 47 ones. 34 tens means 340 plus 47 ones means 47. If you add, we will get 0 plus 7, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, and 3, 387. So here it does not contain the digit 4. Then we will come to C number, 41 tens, 27 ones. 41 tens means 410, and 27 ones. If you will add, then 0 plus 7, 7, 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 437. Here 4 is there in the number. Okay, so it is the answer. A number contains the digit 4. So 437 contains 4 in its 100 place. So it will be the answer. Okay. Some Roman numbers are given below. Use the sign greater than, smaller than, or equal to. Fill the boxes and then choose the correct option that follow. So here LIV. L means 50. Okay, L means 50, एंड हियर मैं आपको बोला था भी के पहले आई आ गया मतलब माइनस होगा. भी का वैल्यू 5 है, आई का वैल्यू 1 है, तो 5 माइनस 1 4 होगा. तो 4, ये एल का वैल्यू 50, तो ये 54 है. ओके, ये एक्स मीन्स 10, एक्स मीन्स 10, सी मीन्स 100, एक्स मीन्स 10, सी मीन्स 100. तो मैं बोला था आपको स्मॉलर वैल्यू पहले आ गया. ओके, सी का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है और पहले आ गया एक्स, तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा. तो सी का वैल्यू 100 है, एक्स का वैल्यू 10 है, तो 100 माइनस 10 90 होगा. ओके, 90. और ये आई एक्स यहाँ पे भी पहले आई आ गया एक्स के पहले, तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा एक्स का वैल्यू से आई का वैल्यू. एक्स का वैल्यू 10 है, आई का वैल्यू 1 है, तो 10 माइनस 1 9 होगा. तो 90 प्लस ये 9 99. ओके, तो यहाँ 99 और यहाँ 54. सो इट विल बी लेसर देन 54 इज लेस देन 99. नाउ XLIV. X मीन्स 10, L मीन्स 50. यहाँ पे भी L के पहले X आ गया, तो माइनस करेंगे L से X को. L 50 माइनस X 10, 50 माइनस 10 40, तो 40 प्लस आई भी, यहाँ पे V के पहले I आ गया, तो B 5 माइनस I 1, 5 माइनस 1 4, तो ये 40 प्लस 4 44 हो गया. इधर 44, यहाँ XLVI. X का वैल्यू L के वैल्यू से कम है, तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा L के वैल्यू से X के वैल्यू को. तो L का वैल्यू है 50, 50 माइनस 10 40, यहाँ भी 40 है. 40 प्लस यहाँ आई भी के बाद में आया है, तो माइनस नहीं होगा. ठीक है, बड़े वैल्यू के बाद छोटे वैल्यू आ गया तो माइनस नहीं होगा, लेकिन छोटे वैल्यू अगर बड़े वैल्यू के पहले आ गया तो माइनस होगा. तो भी आई. ओके, यहाँ पे बड़े वैल्यू के बाद छोटे वैल्यू आया है तो माइनस नहीं होगा. भी का वैल्यू है कितना? 5, आई का वैल्यू है 1, तो यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाएगा. 5 प्लस 1 6, तो 40 प्लस 6 46. ओके, 40 प्लस 6 46 हो गया. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा आइकन होगा? ऐसे होगा, स्मॉलर देन 44 इज स्मॉलर देन 46. देन CCV. सी मीन्स 50, सॉरी सी मीन्स 100, ये भी 100 है, तो 100 प्लस 100, ये भी 5 है. 200, 100 प्लस 100 200, ये 5 है भी, 205. यहाँ पे एक्स सी के पहले एक्स आ गया मतलब माइनस होगा, क्योंकि एक्स का वैल्यू सी का वैल्यू से कम है. तो सी का वैल्यू 100, 100 माइनस एक्स 10, 100 माइनस 10 90 हो जाएगा. 90 प्लस बी का वैल्यू 5 है, तो 95. यहाँ पे ये ग्रेटर देन हो जाएगा. ओके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 205 है, तो स्मॉलर देन ग्रेटर देन कहाँ पे है? स्मॉलर देन ग्रेटर देन. सो ऑप्शन सी. ओके, राउंडेड टू द नियरेस्ट 100. The population of Bolivia was 4,53,400. Which of the following number could be the actual population of Bolivia? So if this is a rounded, the nearest 100 value. Okay, so which number has the nearest 100 value? That is 4,53,400. You can see 4,53,364. If you will round up this number, okay, to the nearest 100, then here 64, the last two digits 64, more than 50, so you have to round to the next 100. So next 100 of 364 is 400. So the answer is of this number, that is 4,53,364. A man shows his fingers as shown in the figure. It represents the Roman numeral V. So V means 5. Okay. Now the picture given below shows 4 different magazines. The numeral below each magazine is the total number of copies of the magazine sold last year. Okay. So all sports, MCCCLII. So M means 1000, M means 1000, and C means 100, C means 100, C means 100, 100, 100, 100, 300. Okay, plus L means 50. Okay, plus 3 means 3. So you will add all the numbers, you will get the number of copies of all sports magazines sold. So like that you will add all the numbers and then you will find out. Okay, the number of copies sold in which magazine has a 4 in tens place. ओके, टेंस प्लेस में 4 होगा, किसका आप आइडेंटिफाई करोगे, सबका प्लस करके निकालोगे वैल्यू, देन यू विल सी इन विच नंबर देयर इज 4 इन टेंस प्लेस. ओके, which abacus shows the correct representation of 9,243. 9,000 means 1000 प्लेस में 9 होगा, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 हियर है, एंड 2 होगा 100 प्लेस में है, 4 होगा 1000 के प्लेस में, एंड 3 होगा 1 के प्लेस में. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट abacus. Then match the following and choose the correct option. Okay, smallest 5 digit number, this one. Place value of 2 is 2000, where in this number. Okay, 1,39,000 when rounded up to nearest 100, it will be this one, 1 lakh. Successor of 9,26,542 is this one, 9,26,543. Okay, now 1 V 2 1 3 2 IV 3. So 1 IV 1 IV 1 IV. Here is 1 IV and here is also 1 IV. Then 2 1. So here 2 1 is there here, but here not 2 3. So it is wrong. Okay, so this one is the correct. And you can see 3 2. Okay, 3 2. Then 4 3 4 3. Okay. Now, which one of the following digits does not occur in the difference between the successor of ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 67. Okay, in the digit ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, 6 crore 70. That's a year you can use comma. So you can find 6 crore 78 lakh 54,398, and you also use comma, so you will get 5 crore 46 lakh 77,456. Which one of the following digit does not occur in the difference between the successor of 6 crore 78 lakh 54,398 and the predecessor of 5 crore 46 lakh 77,456. The difference between the successor of अच्छा तो successor of इतना, successor of 6 crore 78 lakh 54,398 will be 6 crore 78 lakh 54,399. Successor means the next number, and predecessor of 5 crore 46 lakh 5 crore 46 lakh 77,456 will be 455, because predecessor means the previous number. Now you get successor of this number and predecessor of this number. Now you will find a difference. You have to minus. Okay, difference. You will find a difference. Then you will see which digit is not present in the difference. So you have to minus. First you have to minus these two numbers. Then you will get an answer. Then you will see in the answer which digit is not present. 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay. Ramesh is playing with 3 cards having numbers written on them. He has to pick the cards in order to make a 3-digit number. Choose the option which shows all the possible combinations of cards. So here there are 3 digits. I have told you a formula in class that if there are 3 digits, then how many numbers you can form? 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So it will be 6 numbers. So this one. Okay, 947, 974, 479, 749, 794 and 497. Okay. State whether true or false and choose the correct option. So you will state true or false, then you accordingly you will choose the correct answer. 6,380 is 6,400 when rounded up to nearest 100. So when we will have to round nearest up to nearest 100, then here the last two digits are 80, so it is more than 50, so you have to round up to the next 100. So next 100 of 6,380 is 6,400, so it is correct answer. Okay. Hindu numeral notation for CCXLV is 265. अच्छा, C means 100, so 100, 100, 200, okay, plus XL. यहाँ पे XL के पहले आ गया तो L का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, X का वैल्यू कम है, तो L का वैल्यू से X का वैल्यू माइनस होगा, मैं आपको बोला था. ओके, तो क्योंकि बड़ा वैल्यू के पहले छोटा वैल्यू आ गया तो बड़ा वैल्यू छोटा वैल्यू माइनस करना पड़ेगा. तो L का वैल्यू 50 है एंड X का वैल्यू 10 है, तो 50 माइनस 10 40 प्लस V का वैल्यू 5 है. सो कितना आया? 245. सो दिस इज रॉन्ग. ओके. Smallest 4-digit number that can be formed by using the digit 3, 5, 8 and 0. To form smallest number, we have to write in ascending order 0, 3, 5, 8, but we can't write the 0 in the beginning, so it is false. We have to write 3, 0, 5, 8. Sum of the smallest and largest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is 1 containing 3, 0, and smallest or greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So it will be 0 plus 9 9, 0 plus 9 9, 0 plus 9 9, okay, 1 plus 9 10, 10,999. 10,999 it is also correct. So first one true, then false, false, true, true, false, false, true. This one C, true, false, false, true. Okay. Jamal's clues about his mystery number are as shown in the box. What is Jamal's mystery number? Okay. My number is 5 tens. 5 tens. Here is 5 tens. Here is also 5 tens. 8,000. Here is 8,000, but here is not 8,000, so it is wrong. So that means it is right. Okay. 2 ones is also there. 0. So 2 ones. Yes. 610,000. 610,000 is there. 0 ones. It is wrongly given here. Not 0 ones. It is 0 hundreds. Okay. It is 0 hundreds. So this is the answer. Then swimming pools at 4 different schools hold MCCL III gallons, MMMD gallons, MMMDXCIV gallons, and MMCDXC gallons. Okay, we have to find the value of these Roman letters, Roman numerals. M means 1000, M means 1000, plus C means 100, तो 100 plus 100 200, दो C है 200, plus L means 50, plus यहाँ पे I means 3. Okay, like that you will find all the values of all these numbers, then you will identify the answer. The difference between the smallest and the largest 5-digit number formed by digits 54260. Acha. 5 digits smallest number will be 2, 0, okay, 4, 5, 6, and greatest number will be 65420. Okay, then you will find the difference. Okay, you will subtract the smallest number from the greatest number. Calculate the sum of the digits in the hundred place of the smallest and the largest number in the above box. So in the above box, what is the smallest number? The smallest number is your 698, and the greatest number is your 689. This is not the smallest number. 689 is the smallest number, and the greatest number is 986. Okay, so calculate the sum of the digits in the hundred place. Calculate the sum of the digits in the hundred place of the smallest and the largest number. Okay, so in the smallest number, the hundred place digit is 6. In the greatest number, the hundred place digit is 9. Now calculate the sum. 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, what is the difference between the face value and place value of 9 in the number? Okay, so face value of 9 will be 9 itself, and place value of 9 will be, in which place 9 is there? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10,000, that means 90,000. Okay, 90,000. So 90,000 minus 9, what is the difference? 90,000 minus 9. Okay, so 89,991. Which is the costliest item among all? So you have to find the, you have to convert the Roman numerals into Indian numerals. L X X X X B I. L means 50. Okay, 50 plus X X X means 1x means 30, 100. Sorry, 10. So 3x means 30. 50 plus 30 plus BI means 6. Okay, B means 5. I means 1. B plus I. Okay. So total 50 plus 30, 80 plus 6, 86. So books cost is 86. Like that you will find all the values. Then we will find what is the costliest them item among all the 4 items. Then what is the total cost of a paper clip, hockey stick, and a book? You have to add the value of the cost of a paper clip, hockey stick, and book. So you will find the answer. You know how to convert the Roman numerals into Indian numbers. Okay, now we will convert this one. Okay, CLV. C means 100, L means 50, V means 5. C means 100, L means 50, so 150 plus 5, 155. Okay, and here LXVII. L means 50, X means 10. Okay, so 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus A, VII 7, so 67. Okay, XXIV. X means 10, so 10, 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Okay, so 155, 67, 25, 86. Which is the costliest item? So this one is the costliest item, 155. That is the hockey stick. That is the hockey stick is the costliest item. Now, what is the total cost of a paper clip, hockey stick, and a book? Paper clip is your 25 plus hockey stick is your 155. Okay, plus book is your 86. 86. So we will add all the number. Okay, 5 plus 5 plus 6. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 16. 6, 1 carry over. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, 266. So 266. 100 means C. So for 200 we have to write a double C. Okay, we have to write a double C. Then 60. Then you have to write 60. 60 means we can write LX, because L means 50, X means 10. L plus X, 50 plus 10, 60. So LX. Then 6, for 6 we will write VI. Okay, 5 plus 1 VI. So the answer will be CCLXVI. So this one is the correct answer. CCLXVI. रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स, रोमन लेटर में अगर एक लेटर जिसका वैल्यू कम है वो किसी ज़्यादा वैल्यू वाला लेटर का पहले आ जाता है तो कैसे करेंगे ना, बड़ा वैल्यू से छोटा वैल्यू को माइनस करना पड़ेगा। लेकिन अगर बड़ा वैल्यू वाला लेटर के पीछे मतलब बाद में छोटा वैल्यू वाला आता है तो क्या करेंगे, प्लस करेंगे। समझ रहे हो? सपोज एक है नंबर दिया है LX। ओके, तो L का वैल्यू कितना है, 50 है, X का वैल्यू 10 है, मतलब बड़ा वैल्यू के बाद छोटे वैल्यू आया है तो दोनों प्लस होगा। 50 + 10 60, तो LX का वैल्यू 60 हो जाएगा। लेकिन अगर XL दिया है, यहाँ पे बड़ा वैल्यू 50 है L, छोटा वैल्यू X है 10, तो छोटा वैल्यू पहले दे दिया है मतलब माइनस होगा। 50 - 10 = 40, तो एक्सएल का वैल्यू 40 हो जाएगा। LX का वैल्यू 60 है लेकिन एक्सएल का वैल्यू हो गया 40, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक्स एल का वैल्यू से कम है तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा एल का वैल्यू से एक्स का वैल्यू को। 50 - 10 करेंगे 40 आएगा। समझ गए? आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड all about knowing our numbers. Okay, so I think there is a little what we call confusion in the Roman numerals. So I told you that अगर बड़ा वैल्यू वाला नंबर मतलब रोमन लेटर के बाद में छोटा वैल्यू आता है तो दोनों को प्लस करना है। अगर बड़ा वैल्यू वाला लेटर के पहले छोटा वैल्यू वाला लेटर आ जाता है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, बड़ा वैल्यू लेटर से छोटा वैल्यू लेटर को वैल्यू को माइनस करना पड़ेगा। समझ गए? और एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे, सपोज DM। ओके, DM में D का वैल्यू कितना है, 500, M का वैल्यू कितना है, 1000। यहाँ पे बड़ा वैल्यू वाले के पहले छोटा वैल्यू आ गया तो माइनस करना पड़ेगा, तो 1000 - 500, 500। सो DM का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 500। लेकिन अगर हम MD बोलेंगे तो M का वैल्यू 1000 है, D का वैल्यू 500 है, बड़ा वैल्यू के बाद छोटा वैल्यू आया तो प्लस होगा। 1000 + 500, 1500, 1500 होगा। तो MD का वैल्यू 1500 है लेकिन DM का वैल्यू कितना है, 500। तो 500 को लिखने के लिए हम D लिख देंगे तो हो जाएगा, तो DM क्यों लिखेंगे, D लिख देंगे। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? सो ऐसे करते हैं रोमन न्यूमरल्स को कन्वर्ट इंडियन न्यूमरल में। So I think this video is helpful for you for your Olympiad exam. I wish you all the best for upcoming Olympiad. Thank you for watching the video. Keep learning, keep growing.